Breaking news coming in at this point amid the ongoing protest by the farmers and their Delhi Chalo march, where the farmers had assembled at the Shambhu border. A plea has now been filed in the top court, which basically talks about, in fact, demands for instruction to open the highway, including the Shambhu border. The plea also, in fact, demands for instructions to the centre, to the state of Punjab as well as Haryana governments. The Supreme Court, in the meanwhile, is going to listen to that, hear that plea on Monday. As we understand, this petition states that blocking the highway in this manner is against the fundamental rights of the people. Remember, the farmers had assembled at the Shambhu border for the Delhi Chalo protest march, where the farmers was stopped by the police forces. There was tear gas which injured a couple of farmers there. Sarban Singh Pandher, in fact, who's leading the protest march, he also spoke to the media. And now, from what we understand, and this is a breaking story, a plea has been filed in the Supreme Court, in fact, demanding for instructions to open the highway, including the Shambhu border. And my colleague Ashish Bhargav joins us to get us more on this on the phone line. Ashish, what are the details as far as this plea is concerned?
This petition has been filed by Gaurav Luthra, who is a resident of Jalandhar, Punjab. And in his petition, Gaurav Luthra wants Supreme Court to direct Union government, Punjab government, Haryana government to clear and open up the national highway, including the Shambhu border, and as well as state highways also, which are closed due to the ongoing protest by these farmers. Also, this petition says it's a clear-cut violation of fundamental rights of the citizen to right to free movement, and also violation of National Highway Act. Also, it claims it's a clear-cut criminal case under the BNS also. This petition wants to direct Punjab government, Haryana government, and as well as Union government to open up all these highways, clear these highways, all highways, including Shambhu border. Also to direct farmers to keep law and order, maintain law and order. Also, this petition wants Supreme Court to direct all the state government, central government, as well as NHI also, to clear up these borders, as these protests are violating all the fundamental rights of the citizens. So the important thing is the Supreme Court will hear this petition tomorrow, Monday tomorrow. Yes.
Right, Ashish. Just to understand this, what can we expect from that hearing that the Supreme Court is going to conduct tomorrow? Because the farmers, they seem to be pretty adamant on not clearing these borders. They want to continue with this march. They have in fact decided to assemble again for a meeting tomorrow and decide on the course of action. What can we now expect from, especially from the Supreme Court now?
See, this type of petition is already pending in Supreme Court. Last hearing, 2-3 months back, Supreme Court constituted one committee also to find out the solution, to speak to the farmers, speak out the Farmers Association and file a report in Supreme Court. So it's a very important thing, because lots of time Supreme Court clearly says you can't violate the fundamental rights of other citizens. Also, you can't obstruct these highway. You can't curtail their movement. But the main thing is farmers always say they are not the people who are closing these highways. In fact, the administration, it is the government who doesn't want to them to go to Delhi for their protest. So it's a blame game from both sides, and it's very important to see whether Supreme Court issues any direction tomorrow, and what the way Supreme Court can do anything to stop this type of protest or open up these highways. Yes.